In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Ton from Bybit to Telegram wallet. To do this, simply go and open up Bybit and then click Assets in the bottom right. From here, you want to go and click on Withdrawal and then select the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw. So in this case, Ton, and now here you need to enter address, network, and amount. Now for the network, just select Ton and the amount. Just enter how much you want. Click Max, and then at the top for the address, you want to go and open up Telegram, and then on Telegram, go to your Telegram wallet. So you can just search wallet and then open it. And then here for me, the Ton space, but if you use the wallet, just click add crypto, select Ton or Toncoin, and get your wallet address. Now with the Ton space, it's the same, just click deposit, and then here you will get your Ton wallet address. So simply copy that address and then go back to Bybit and paste the address right here. So once you have pasted in the address and enter the amount, all of that, you can then go and click withdraw, and here confirm, then verify it's you by entering the authentication codes, and after doing that, it will say withdraw application submitted. So now it will be gone from my balance here and it will be showing up in my Telegram wallet. I'll just wait for that to happen so that you know this actually works. So for me, it took about 2 minutes, and now as you can see, I have received it. So that's how to transfer Ton from Bybit to Telegram wallet. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.